Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, this is ChangeYourLookuk, okay? And please feel free and feel relaxed to hit the subscribe button and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I do upload new videos every week. So guys, if you don't want to miss any of our good content, just hit the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So on this video right now, I'm going to be showing you the human hair, how ChangeYourLookuk human hair looks like. This is 100% virgin hair, and I'm going to show you our Vietnamese hair, and I'm also going to show you how single drawn look like and how double drawn look like, guys, so you can check it out. And if you want to make order on any of these wigs, you can make order direct on our Instagram page, ChangeYourLookuk, all in one word. So, and if you're ordering for the first time, we normally ship for free, so feel free to DM or send us a message, and definitely we're going to get back to you as soon as possible. So without taking much of your time, let's dive into the video. I'm going to be showing you is this gorgeous, beautiful bundles. Do you see this? Do you see this bundle? If you can see it clearly, this is a straight bundle. And this is the super double drawn, and you can see how the thick, look at the tip and see how thick it is. I'm going to show you clearly. Look at it and see how thick it is. You can see how thick the tips is, and this is how our bundle look like. And this is actually a 300 gram, and this hair is really beautiful, and it's Vietnamese raw virgin hair. It doesn't spoil at all. You buy this hair, you use it for a lifetime. It doesn't spoil at all. And this hair is one hair that you don't see on all the sites where you normally shop hair from. You cannot see it anyhow. It's one of the best. So if you're looking on how to get a very good hair, a very good hair, Vietnamese is like the #1. Their texture is always very good. So this is how it looks. You can see how beautiful it looks. This is also one of our coils as well. You can see how these coils look. It's very beautiful. It's gorgeous. You can see how beautiful it looks. So this is also one of our bundles, and it's really beautiful as well. This is human hair, like 100% human hair. This really looks very beautiful. It looks very beautiful. If you go to our Instagram page, you will see the wig that we made of this hair. Yeah, it's very nice. It's a very nice coils pattern, and when you put water on it, it just bangs back. So this is a very nice coils as well. This is one of our bundles as well. I brought this out for sample to show you guys the difference between our quality of our hair and this quality of hair. If you touch this quality of hair, you can see like it's very thin. It looks big at the top, but the bottom is very thin, and you could see the ends, a lot of short ends. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but what I can see here is really a lot of short ends. This is our bundles, and this is, can you see the two? Just take a close look at the both of them. Look at the difference. Look at that thick bottom. Look at this one, looking tiny, looking very weak, looking saggy, but you can see how nice this look, how full it looks. So this is the kind of bundle you're going to get from ChangeYourLookuk, okay? So if we're making a wig for you, or you want us to make a wig for you, this is the kind of bundle we're going to be using to make wig for you, and it's very good. So if you want a 100% raw human hair, you can't get it better and affordable than ChangeYourLookuk, okay? Look at the both hair. You can tell for yourself which one, if you go to the market and you want to pick something, which one will you prefer to go for? Will you go for this or will you go for this? Let me know in the comment section below. This is one of our bundles as well, and this is so gorgeous. It's very beautiful. You can see it. This is really beautiful. So this is one of our bundles as well. And they are all human hair. All the bundles I'm showing you right now, they are all human hair. So this is one of our Vietnamese coils, and this hair is really gorgeous. It's so beautiful. You see it? It just bends. You see how beautiful this look. It's really very beautiful. It's This is raw hair, 100% raw hair. So these are all human hair. This is the kind of human hair you want to get. I bet you in many shops, in many websites out there, you wouldn't be able to get this kind of quality. I didn't actually create this course. It came in like this. This is how the bundles look like. So I'm going to wear it and style it on my hair for you guys to see how it actually look like. So guys, let's dive into that. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to quickly cut the closure off. Take off the closure. So when you want to cut your closure, you just make sure that there is no hair blocking your view. And you cut it very close so you don't get to see your neck at the front. This close. Sewing is, and you can see how this look. This is really beautiful. So let me quickly take this off and then switch into this. Mind you, I didn't add any kind of gum or I didn't add any oud on it. This is just how it looks. So you can see how beautiful the wig is. See how it looks? It looks really beautiful. You see the way it's bouncing back. I wish you can feel the hair, how it feels. It feels very soft. It feels really soft. A real definition of human hair. Look at that. So guys, hope I've been able to give you guys an idea on what human hair looks like, and hope I've been able to like show you the difference between a single drawn and the difference between a super double drawn or double drawn. So that was what I showed you earlier on. So if this video has helped you in one way or the other, please don't hesitate to hit the like button, click on the subscribe button if you've not done so, and press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new videos. I do upload new video every week, so if you want to check out my video, if you don't want to miss out any of my videos, make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And we also do makeup tutorial as well, so feel free to join the makeup gang. Feel free to watch our makeup tutorials as well. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye for now.